This is gonna blow your mind. Did you know coding can be your ticket to financial freedom? If your idea of coding is staring at black screens with green text, you're watching too many movies. Coding is way more beginner-friendly. And yes, it can pay some serious bills. Let's dive in, step by step. First up, if you know even a little bit of coding, you can teach someone who knows nothing. Seriously, middle schoolers, high schoolers, college classmates, they're all potential students. Bonus, you'll learn better by teaching. Next, websites like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy to find gigs. Start small, offer to build a basic website or fix someone's buggy app. The more gigs you complete, the better your reviews, and bam, your freelancing career levels up. Now I know what you're thinking, but I'm just a beginner. Spoiler alert, I was too. That $3,500 I made, it wasn't from building the next Facebook. I started with simple tasks. Editing HTML, fixing small errors, writing basic scripts. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to ask for help. The coding community is super supportive, and there's a tutorial for everything online. Finally, remember this. Coding isn't some magical superpower. It's a skill. And like any skill, you get better over time. Start today, start small, but start. So, ready to make your keyboard work for you? Hit that subscribe button and check out the link below to dive deeper. Your $3,500 month could be closer than you think.